In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Looker Studio reports into your website or blog in just about 5 minutes. Looker Studio, previously known as Google Data Studio, is a powerful tool for visualizing data and creating interactive reports and dashboards. Embedding these reports can significantly enhance the data presentation on your site, making it more interactive and informative for your audience. Firstly, let's dive into where it all starts. The Looker Studio homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL lookerstudio.google.com to get going. You'll be greeted with the option to use it for free. Clicking this is your first step into the world of Looker Studio without any cost if you're using the basic features, which are incredibly robust and useful for most use cases. After clicking use it for free, the next thing you'll need to do is enter your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with Google, as Looker Studio is a Google product and integrates seamlessly with other Google services. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, you might skip this step automatically. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. After typing it in, hit the login button to access Looker Studio's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find yourself on the Looker Studio homepage. If you're new to Looker Studio, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see options to create new reports, access existing ones, and explore templates. Now, assuming you've already created a report you want to embed, click on the existing file from your Looker Studio home. This will open the report you wish to share with your audience. Once the report is open, look for the Share button, typically represented with an arrow pointing downwards. This button is your gateway to sharing your insights with the world. Clicking Share will reveal several options, but the one we are interested in is Embed Report. Selecting this option prepares your report to be embedded onto an external site. It's a crucial step as it generates the embed code needed to integrate the report outside of Looker Studio. Once you click Embed Report, a new window or panel will appear with the embed code. It might seem a bit intimidating if you're not familiar with HTML or coding in general, but don't worry. All you need to do is click Copy to Clipboard. This action copies the embed code, making it ready to be pasted into your website or blog's HTML. After copying the code, the final step is to embed it into your site. Depending on how your website is managed, this process might vary slightly. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, you'll want to find the option to edit the HTML of your post or page, paste the code where you'd like the report to appear. For those more technically inclined, directly embedding it into the HTML file of your website will achieve the same result, and that's it. You've successfully embedded your Looker Studio report into your website. This integration not only makes your site more dynamic and interactive, but also allows your users to engage with your data in a more meaningful way. Remember, the key to effective data visualization is not just in creating comprehensive reports, but also in making them accessible and understandable to your audience. Before wrapping up, a couple of quick tips to remember. Always preview your embedded report on your site to ensure it displays correctly. Sometimes adjusting the size of the embed might be necessary for it to fit well within your site's layout. Also, consider the privacy settings of your report in Looker Studio. You'll want to make sure it's set to anyone with the link can view, unless you intend for it to be private or restricted to specific users. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to embedding Looker Studio reports onto your website or blog, making your data visually appealing and interactive. We believe that by following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your website's data presentation and engage more effectively with your audience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.